opening the hive. No gear. It's late. They're tucked in. Both hives. And I'm telling you what, it smells so good. I haven't done a actual video where I've shown how I deal with these bees at night, and I have no smoke. They're so accepting certain times. So here we go. We're gonna pop this lid, and this is a super I just put on this week. It should be decent. You know, it's just barely popping up. Barely. The lower super to here. They're trying to work their way up. Don't crush your bees. One thing we're gonna do is split that and go in there, mama. And give it a good look inside the hive. Ooh, you can hear him. It's so good to see this, folks. You really don't understand how that makes you feel good. Close them back up. And that's beekeeping, folks.